In this video, we'll be taking a close look at the Albert Credit Builder app. If you're looking to improve your credit score, you've probably heard of Albert. But what makes it stand out from other credit building tools? Albert is designed to help you improve your credit score over time by providing access to tools like a credit builder line of credit and insights into your financial habits. When you first open the app, you're greeted with a clean, simple interface that's easy to navigate, even if you're new to using financial apps. The first thing you'll want to do is link your bank account to the app. This lets Albert analyze your spending patterns and provide personalized advice on how to manage your money better. From there, you can opt to apply for the Credit Builder feature, which is designed to help you increase your credit score by reporting your payments to major credit bureaus. This tool is especially helpful if you don't have a credit history or are looking to rebuild your score. Albert also offers access to a savings feature, which is great if you're working towards specific financial goals, like an emergency fund or paying down debt. The Credit Builder feature operates as a line of credit, but don't worry, it's not a traditional credit card. Instead, it's more of a small revolving line of credit that reports your activity to the bureaus, helping to build your credit history. While using this feature, I found the process simple and easy to manage, with no hidden fees or complex rules. In terms of pricing, the basic version of the app is free. But if you want to unlock more advanced features, like the Credit Builder, you'll need to pay for a subscription. The monthly fee is reasonable compared to other credit building services, and the app does a good job of offering value for the price. Another standout feature is Albert's financial advice, which you can access for free through the app. If you ever have questions about your finances or need guidance on how to improve your credit, the app's financial experts are available to help. Overall, Albert offers a solid set of tools for anyone looking to improve their credit score, manage their finances, and access financial advice. If you're looking for a user-friendly credit building app with a variety of helpful features, Albert is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more reviews, and leave a comment if you have any questions or experiences with Albert that you'd like to share.